The police have identified one of the two men who were found dead off Dun Beholden Main Road in St. Catherine on Wednesday. He is 28-year-old Anthony Chambers, otherwise called Silly, of Jones Avenue, Spanish Town. The police said one of the men was clad in blue denim multicolored shorts and a grey boxer shorts with no shirt, while the other man was in black denim pants, orange and red boxer shorts, and a pair of black Reebok sneakers with no shirt. The hands and feet of the victims were bound and the heads partially severed. Both had what appears to be bullet wounds. The Major Investigation Division is probing the incident. 7 people has been slapped with charges after a viral video surfaced showing angry residents in a brawl after one resident was reportedly resisting arrest when the police went to shut down a party in Whitehall, Westmoreland on Sunday. The main antagonist has been identified as Andre Brown from Old Hope, Little London. Observers online understand that lawmen had gone to shut down a party in the community when Brown hurled offensive slurs at them. In the video that went viral on social media, a man in a black sweater was seen grabbing the neck of an officer while he threw blows at him. A woman was also seen intervening as a tug-of-war ensued. The man is also said to have disarmed one of the lawmen as they rolled repeatedly on the ground. The officers could be seen hitting the man with their rifles while residents shouted and boosted the man. According to Detective Superintendent of Police, DSP Sean J. Mitchell, Brown is still in custody and has been slapped with 9 charges. He is charged with 4 counts of assault, occasioning bodily harm, unlawful wounding, resisting arrest, use of abusive and calumnious language, obstructing the police, failure to move and keep on moving, disorderly conduct, disobeying a constable, and assaulting a police officer. The DSP said the lawmen were met with force when they arrived at the entertainment event in the community, after residents called complaining of the noise after 6 a.m. He said the lawmen went and the promoter complied. However, when the lawmen left, the music was back on and the police returned only to be met with force.